In this video, I will show you how to add captions and emojis in OpusClip. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. First, you want to upload your video to OpusClip. You can either upload a video directly or add a YouTube link. You will then be met with AI options. You have quick presets for captions that you can choose from. You can also choose the aspect ratio. Once you have chosen your options, select Get Clips in one click. Once your video has uploaded, on the left you will see your viral score. You can see that my hook has a B, but my flow, value, and trend have A. To add captions, you can simply go to the top of your video. Next to number 1, you will see a caption. To edit that, click the pencil to the right. And to add emojis, select Edit Clip in the right column. You will then see your transcript in the top left. If you want to add an emoji, simply click the word. Once you click the word, you will then see Add with an arrow facing down. Click that arrow and 3 rows down, you will find emoji. Click emoji and then choose the emoji that you would like to add. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.